Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info, dear viewers. In front of me, DOOGEE X97 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to record calls on the smartphone. So unfortunately, we have now in Europe. Of course, if you have Chinese version of the device, you will have, but I have Europe version, and in Europe we have no call recording features, enabling in the phone application. So we need to use third-party apps to record calls. So if you need to record calls using third-party app, I suggest to try Cube ACR. So just just download Cube ACR from the Play Store. Then click grant permission while using the app, allow all. Then OK, go read, allow. You don't need to provide the location access for this application. So click on the click on the cross in the left top corner of your screen, and great. Now this app will automatically record your calls from the phone, from the WhatsApp, from Telegram, and other applications. From where you can call someone or you can get calls, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.